Life by Design. Lessons from Software Engineering on Resilience and Growth. There's something I've noticed over the years. The longer I spend thinking about life, the more it starts to resemble a system. Not a rigid one. Not something cold or mechanical, but something designed, or at least capable of being designed with care. In the world of software engineering, systems are built to survive complexity. They're designed to adapt, to fail safely, to evolve without collapsing under their own weight. And sometimes I wonder, what if those same principles could help us build lives that hold up a little better under pressure? Not perfect lives, just resilient ones. In software, you begin by generalizing. You build broad, reusable foundations. Only later do you specialize, refining something to do one thing particularly well. Life seems to work the same way. First, we cultivate what's universal: integrity, curiosity, empathy, patience. The traits that belong to being human at all. Only then does our particular shape emerge. Begin as a student of the whole. Become an artisan of the particular. Your essence is shared with everyone. Your path is yours alone. Good systems are cohesive. Related things belong together. Nothing is working at cross purposes, but they're also decoupled. One part can change without breaking everything else. Living well asks for both. Inner cohesion, where values, beliefs, and actions point in the same direction. And healthy decoupling, boundaries that keep you from being pulled apart by other people's expectations or by circumstances you can't control. Cultivate inner unity. Allow outer flexibility. In code, components are defined by how they relate to one another. Those associations shape the system's behavior. So do ours. The people you spend time with quietly influence how you think, what you tolerate, and who you become. Not dramatically, gradually. Choose your associations with care. They become the scaffolding of your life. Software engineers don't start from scratch every time. They use patterns, solutions that have worked before. Life has patterns too. Pause before reacting. Build systems instead of relying on willpower. Start small, iterate. Learn what works, adapt it to your reality, and keep going. Wisdom doesn't require originality. It requires attention. Refactoring improves the structure of a system without changing what it does. In life, refactoring is the quiet work of simplification. Rearranging habits. Letting go of unnecessary complexity. Strengthening what already matters. You don't have to reinvent yourself. You can just tidy up. Renew gently. Renew often. In software, not everything needs to be exposed. Some things are kept private so the system can function cleanly. People need this too. Not every thought needs an audience. Not every feeling needs to be shared. Privacy isn't secrecy, it's stewardship. Reveal selectively. Protect intentionally. Good systems surface problems early, while the cost of failure is still low. Life invites the same approach. Test assumptions in small ways. Take modest risk before big ones. Let mistakes teach you while they're still manageable. Fail early, fail wisely, learn quickly. Every system has versions, each one complete, each one temporary. So do you. You've been many versions already. Each did the best it could with what it knew at the time. Honor them. But don't cling to them. Your past explains you. It doesn't confine you. Resilient systems are modular. One failure doesn't take down the whole structure. A resilient life works the same way. Work can falter without erasing love. A project can fail without defining identity. Pain in one area doesn't have to infect everything else. Build a life with many supports, so no single loss collapses the whole. In software, repeated logic leads to bugs. In life, repeated mistakes do the same. The lesson isn't to be flawless. It's to learn deeply, reflect, write things down, notice patterns in yourself. Let wisdom compound. Software engineering is often seen as analytical, but at its core, it's deeply human. It's about clarity, intentionality, adaptation. And maybe living well isn't about chasing perfection, but about becoming an elegant architecture, grounded in principle, modular in practice, cohesive at heart, always evolving. You are both the programmer and the program, the architect and the house. May you build something that holds and something that feels like home.